Hello everyone. Question is which practice involves the management of vulnerabilities that were not identified before the service went live? Option A service request management. Option B problem management. Option C change control. Option D service level management. Correct answer is option B. Question is which is recommendation of the guiding principle think and work holistically? Option A conduct a review of existing service management practices and decide what to keep and what to discard. Option B review how an improvement initiative can be organized into smaller manageable sections that can be completed in a timely manner. Option C review service management practices and remove any unnecessary complexity. Option D use the four dimensions of service management to ensure coordination of all aspects of an improvement initiative. Correct answer is option D. Question is what can be used to determine if a service is fit for purpose? Option A availability. Option B warranty. Option C outcome. Option D utility. Correct answer is option D. Question is which includes governance, management practices, and continual improvement. Option A the service value system. Option B the deliver and support value chain activity. Option C the focus on value guiding principle. Option D the value stream and processes dimension. Correct answer is option A. Question is what can be described as an operating model for the creation and management of products and services? Option A governance. Option B service value chain. Option C guiding principles. Option D practices. Correct answer is option B. Question is which most help an organization adopt ITIL concepts so that they apply to the organization's specific circumstances? Option A continual improvement. Option B service value chain. Option C practices. Option D guiding principles. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which practice facilitates operational communication between the service provider organization and users in the service consumer organization? Option A service level management. Option B relationship management. Option C service desk. Option D monitoring and event management. Correct answer is option C. Question is which costs are included in the value proposition of a service? Option A additional expense that the service consumer has because they are using the service. Option B money that the service consumer no longer needs to spend because they are using the service. Option C tangible or intangible results for the service consumer because they are using the service. Option D the benefits, usefulness, and importance of the service that are perceived by the consumer. Correct answer is option D. Question is which practice improves customer and user satisfaction by reducing the negative impact of service interruptions? Option A service request management. Option B service level management. Option C incident management. Option D change management. Correct answer is option C. Question is which describe a change authority? Option A model used to determine who will assess a change. Option B a person who approves a change. Option C a tool used to help plan changes. Option D a way to manage the people aspects of change. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which is an activity of the problem management practice? Option A, restoration of normal service operation as quickly as possible. Option B, prioritization of problems based on the risk that they pose. Option C, authorization of changes to resolve the cause of problems. Option D, resolution of incidents in a time that meet customer expectations. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.